We just found a dead bird.
Let me see, guys.
Is this part of your vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, good gosh. It has an eye. I see its head. I see its eye. I see its...
What's up, you guys? Just another day. I told you guys yesterday. Really?
What? What?
No. I told you guys yesterday I was gonna make another vlog. Anyways, here's my friend.
Hello.
Anyways,
You never said my name.
whatever. Here's my friend Celeste.
Hello.
I don't even think they saw it, but whatever. I'm gonna show you guys a dead bird we found.
Actual living, not living.
Oh, you do not want to see.
Wasn't
my
that
background.
here yesterday?
Look at this.
Was it? I want to see the video of where I locked myself out of my bathroom yesterday. Anyway.
Well, you guys subscriber besides me. You guys subscriber.
I know. My friend did that. I told him to.
You told him.
Yeah, that's cool. Anyways.
I do not want to
Bye. Here.
Oh, anyways, I'm just over here playing around, not doing anything. I'm just bored. Really? You just... Anyways, I guess when I go outside, I'll vlog more because there's literally nothing to vlog right now at all. Anyways, so you know my friend Celeste, right? Leave in the comments. Oh, there's a kid coming from basketball over there. Oh shoot! This is what the kids do when they're bored. I'm trying to hide this so they can't see. They always do this. They literally always do this. RJ, go play. This is just a video, okay? Hey, let's see if we can sneak up on them and scare them.
Not right now.
Yeah, let's just go sit down on the chairs. Dude, I'm bored.
Okay, let's talk to come inside.
Every time the mail comes in their house.
Yeah.
Hold on, 1 second. This is the person every single.
Edit that out. You better edit that
I
out.
will. This is the person who comes. Nobody. Whatever.
Okay, you're gonna.
I want
edit that
fans to see me, anyways. This isn't even my house.
That's my. You better not show my address. That's not cool.
Okay, whatever.
But random people are gonna come to my house, so they're gonna be like, "Okay, is Contrail here?"
Anyways, wait. I don't even have that much subscribers.
You will one day, and then they'll see that, and then.
Anyways, you guys know I posted about. You remember? Did you see the video of the 50 subscribers or something? Yes, we're still talking about.
Yes.
And I guess when we get up to 50, I want to get like 1 million subscribers.
Like,
That's my goal, to get 1 million. Huh?
did you see Mark's new video of Meow?
No.
I'm going to show you that.
Anyways, what do you want to do when we get 50 subscribers?
I want to have like a party. Maybe
Party?
Maybe.
I meant like a challenge or something.
Oh, a challenge! Yeah, I'll look up some challenges or you guys could put them in. The
And
comments
no, I'm
below.
not doing something nice. I already did that before.
Oh no.
It hurt really bad.
Oh yeah. Don't. No cinnamon challenge either. Just.
I heard people got like asthma from doing that or something.
I already have asthma. How? That's gonna make it worse. We'll both do a challenge if you put it in the comments below. We'll do a challenge next video if you put it in the comments.
True. That's all I have for right now. So see ya. Oh, anyways, it was raining like not even 50 minutes ago.
Yeah. I was on my computer because I couldn't go outside.
Neither could I. Anyways, this is what my brother always does when we come over. Throws his scooter on the ground. Mine is the red one. His is the blue one. Yes.
What if somebody's colorblind? They can't see that.
That's weird.
That would be weird. I wonder.
You got anything to say or no?
I don't know. I have to shop in the women's section and I'm only 12.
Yes, I do too. Not the one. The men's.
The women's section. 'Cause I'm a guy.
So at my friend's house, my other friend's house, they're like doing something there. I don't know what they're doing, but let me zoom in.
I wonder if they were having a race the other day and they were just like,
I don't know. You said it was a fire.
what?
That there's a fire over there.
Oh, I was looking at the skin.
Over there where I go to school at, there's this house that just got rebuilt because there's a fire. And I noticed it because it was burning. I want to see if anybody commented on one of my videos. I know you did.
Yeah, I commented. Of course I did.
Hold on. There's nothing really to do at all. When I vlog, I go like this sometimes, but people just go like that. I shrug my shoulders a little because I can't not go like this. I just go. And then, oh, let's go see what the kids are doing. Oh,
What? This is a size 10-12, and I still have plenty of room.
wow. This is like shorter than me. That's what always happens to me. Let's spy on. Let's spy on.
Third time you were looking at the kids?
Yes. No, I recorded a few seconds of it. But when I don't think you guys saw it. Anyways, when I was scaring them, I failed at it. You didn't even do crap.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's another day. See ya.
Leave in the comments below pranks and scares that you want us to do on other people. It could be my sister, your brother, my brother, your mom, my mom. Just play anybody. Just leave it in the comments and who you want us to do it to.
Bye.
Peace!
Another day tomorrow.